It's a beautiful day for garage sales. We're about to be at the first one. So let's see what we can find today. There's some neighborhood-wide garage sales. Welcome to the channel. Let's get to the first sale right now. Ah, the cheddar's in my eye. All right, there's our first one right there. Let's go check it out.
Can you do it? Now that technology is not cordless.
Yeah.
Let's go over it.
All right, we're pulling up to the next garage sale. I already see cowboy boots here, so that's good.
You, yeah. My hair's just...
Para cada cosa.
You have your own garage sale. Now
Stick still work okay?
Yeah.
He does? Okay, cool. Nothing sticky or anything?
No.
Okay.
No, I think last time I tried it, and that was probably a year ago. We got 2 and 5.
Yeah.
I think 5 for it.
Cool. Let's do it. All right, so we got Harry Potter Sorcerer's Stone PS2. This is, I think, a $50 game or so. And then we got this Fighting Stick 3 by Hori. This could be, I don't know, somewhere between maybe $70 and $100 sale. Got both these things for $5. Also walked out with this Mitchell & Ness Throwbacks Montana jersey. It's pretty cool, size 54. And this is probably like a $70 sale or so. It's pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna wash it when I get home. But it's pretty nice jersey from this garage sale. Awesome. Let's go find some more. It could be a great day, you know. Decent finds on one garage sale, I'd say that much. We're in a neighborhood that's in a pretty decent part of Austin. The houses are, you know, kind of small, but believe it or not, these are like $750,000 homes now. So welcome to Austin, guys. Welcome to Austin. So I'm just going around the neighborhood and taking a look what I can find. I see a sign right here. So that's good. I think we go this way. I'm not 100% sure. There's some garage sale stuff right there too. I'm not 100% sure what to do here, but I'm just gonna go around. That last guy had some interesting things. I mean, he really did. But I'm in for the quick hits, you know, the guaranteed. But I did take some of y'all's advice. I stopped for a little bit more just to peter around and take a look. Ooh, I see a bike. It's time to try to get this thing. And it's upside down. Perfect. Let's go check it out. There's an Ultegra stuff on there and some 105s, some mismatched stuff.
Yeah, that
They probably crashed the rear one.
Yeah,
That's
very familiar. Yeah.
I was thinking about going there today.
Okay, well, I'll have to look.
Yeah.
Find that one. Yeah.
Next garage sale. Let's see.
About 15. With the 10.
We'll do that. How much for these two? I was wondering.
The shirt, how about $2 for the shirt?
Okay.
And then that, Roger, how much you want for your fighter jet? How about $1 for the fighter
Okay.
jet?
Cool. $3. That's cool. From that garage sale right there, this 1987 looks like a Transformer from Hasbro. I'm gonna look this guy up later. It was $1. So we'll figure out what this one really is and how much it's worth. Chaps, Ralph Lauren shirt, but it's got a good all over kind of print to it. So this in the booth will be about $20 to $40. It's pretty chill. I like it a lot. And the guy in front of me popped on, as soon as I walked up, he popped on this stack or this case or bin of Ninja Turtles. It looked like Ninja Turtles and some He-Man stuff. Man, I just came a little too late on that one, but that would have been a good score. He did pay 15 bucks for it, but judging on how deep the bin was, I think he's gonna do very well. He's definitely a reseller, but that was a cool score. Moments, man. I was just moments late on that one, but that's okay. That's how it goes. This is how the game is, and I wish this thing would shut up. Shut up, stupid seatbelt! Shut up, stupid seatbelt! Only going like 5 miles an hour in this neighborhood. Stop! I feel like I have to go down every one of these streets just to make sure that there are no garage sales. Looks like some interesting stuff could be here. Let's go check it out. There's some James Taylor here. This is good.
Okay. I was trying to read the tape. I'm trying to.
We can try this one and see. Yeah. It should just autoplay, I think. Okay. That's interesting. All right. All right, let's see if we can find something at this one. Okay, we've got this Jansport fanny pack. It's kind of a TBD, but I would not mind keeping this. I'm sure my girlfriend would love it too. So yeah, TBD, but it's pretty cool. Love it. Perfect for the booth too, honestly, like 20 bucks all day. Hey, what's up? How are you?
You know, I have a free. Would you like coffee?
I think I'm okay right now.
Okay. Or lemonade. To yourself.
I'm trying to keep fasting and everything, so I'm like, what can I have? I don't know.
Those are $9. Yeah.
Always wait yourself.
Or you can name your price.
How much is coffee?
It's just charity things. You can
Okay, cool.
The lemonade is stevia sweetened.
Okay. Okay. That's pretty good, actually.
Okay.
We'll do a coffee.
Would you like this or?
No, just straight coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a bit strong, okay? Just warning you.
That's fine.
I'm not.
What happens if it's too strong then?
Stop it. Okay, good.
What's gonna happen if it's too strong?
Well,
Good morning.
Am I
pretty
gonna
strong, I'm
am
just
I gonna
saying.
drive fast or something?
It's pretty strong.
So just
Okay. Another garage sale. This one looks kind of big actually. So I'm excited to check this one out.
Yeah, this game is super cool. It's about 25 years old. There are all these rings, and you spin them.
How much is the bicycle? I'm just curious.
The bicycle's 35.
35?
It needs a new back tire. This tire just exploded and we were blowing it up this morning. And
Okay.
this one is fine. It seems to be holding it there. Awesome.
Yeah. Do you have change on you?
Yours? Yes, I do.
Alright, so from that garage sale over there, got this Specialized Hot Rock 24-inch kids bike, and it's a beautiful, it's got the beautiful paint job on it too. This is 35 bucks. And I'm kind of whispering there's someone kind of close by, but this thing should resell for about $1 to $150. I'm thinking because of the paint job, $150. Specialized is a very good bike brand, and the kids bikes, you know, the kids market is basically specialized in Trek. And when you get to the 24-inch ones, these bikes can, you know, they're brand new all the way up to almost 600 bucks. So, you know, someone looking at an ad for 150 or let's say even 200 maybe, they're gonna wanna buy that bike. So that's a total score. Okay, we have another garage sale to look at. I found this one 5 minutes ago. Could be good, let's check it out. Okay, got some board shorts right here for $2. Gonna wear those. They're size medium, which is nice. And we got this Coach mini backpack. Now, these things can sell up to about like $1 or 150 depending on color, so that's kind of cool. That's what I'm aiming for, but I would take about 80 for it as well. It feels good. Little Coach mini backpack, can't go wrong with that. Garage sale of the day, but it does look huge. I see some roller skates. I'm gonna check this one out. This one looks exciting. So I lost some footage from that garage sale, but I did pick up some Red Wing kind of black logger boots for 40 bucks that are probably worth like 150 plus. And I bought some other things that were super cool. Now I can't remember. I think there's some VHS tapes and maybe a Coke crate. Either way, that stuff made it to the booth already. But here we are, you know, like the neighborhood white garage sale season is around and about, and it's a lot of fun. And so every Saturday I've been crushing all that kind of stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Yeah, get out there and get some money.